Hey everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are beading some Crocs. You know, those crazy, colorful shoes that all the kids are wearing? And truth be told, I have a couple pair myself. We're going to be beading them with fibercraft beads from John Bead. Now, I love these beads. They're big and colorful and super easy to use. Now, before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say, hey, Mark, are you really wearing Crocs? Are you ready? Let's bead some Crocs. Before there were Crocs, which launched in 2002, there were foam clogs by a Canadian company named Foam Creations. As of 2016, at least 100 million pairs of Crocs have been sold, along with many different versions of the shoes since they were first introduced. The American Indians wore fully beaded moccasins with beading on the soles, also called burial moccasins, which were worn by the living and the dead, and some wore them to show their wealth as horse owners. I'm going to leave a link to John Bead and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Bling, and I'll see you next week. Bye.